आपको याद है आपने कब आखिरी बार अपने बॉडी को रिलैक्स किया हो या उसकी केयर की हो, या कब आपको आखिरी बार वक्त मिला हो रिलैक्सिंग मूड में लाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ उपाय किए हो? अगर नहीं, then don't worry, because today we have a special guest, Miss Amrisha Ahuja, who will take us to the journey of Healing Island. Welcome to our show, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please share something about Healing Island?
Yes, sure. The Healing Island was actually gifted to me on 12th of October 2011. I had this idea that I wanted to be a hypnotherapist, psychologist and into the healing field, but I never thought that I'll have my own center. So one fine morning I woke up and I saw in my email, in the inbox, there was this mail by a very dear friend. So it had the poster of the Healing Island with my picture on it and all the things that we do. So that's how it came. So it was a gift. And I'd say since then, Healing Island is involved in gifting people their real self. We basically undertake different individual sessions as well as group sessions. So individual session is like a one-to-one session wherein the client comes with their issue, whatever it is, they discuss it. And then all the therapies for them are tailor-made according to their needs. Apart from that, we have group sessions wherein we teach different healing modalities to people.
Ma'am, can you please tell us about the therapies you offered?
Sure. To share a few healing modalities with you that we offer. One of them is Reiki. So Reiki, it's actually one of the oldest energy healing forms that we have. And it's a hands-on body process which was refounded by Dr. Mikao Usui. So in Reiki, basically what happens is that it works on your energy level, the physical, the mental level, the auric level, the chakra level, and it heals whatever issues one might have, be it physical or emotional. So that's one of the techniques which actually got me on the path of healing, I'd say, when I was in college. So I came across Reiki and that's how I started doing healing. Apart from that, we have hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy basically it's a science which uses hypnosis to facilitate therapy. Okay, so what happens in hypnotherapy basically is that the person is in a very heightened state of awareness. Okay, it's unlike what they show us on TV. It's not that I can control you or anything. You are very much aware of your surroundings, what you're doing, what you're saying. So we use hypnotherapy for different healings, like you can say pain management, fear and phobia management, past life regression, age regression comes under hypnotherapy, but we use it only if needed. We don't do past life regression for all the cases. Then you also use it for any physical issues like a rash or allergy or any psychological issue, or if patterns show up in your life. So there are cases when the same thing repeats over and over again. For example, in relationships, many people go through same relationship issues, one after the other. So that's basically when you have some block somewhere, and through hypnotherapy we reach there and we heal that.
And I have heard about the bibliomancy. Would you like to inform us what is bibliomancy?
Bibliomancy, which is actually a divination tool. So just like you have tarot card reading, which people are very much aware of nowadays, we have bibliomancy. That's basically wherein you get your answers and messages using books. So it could be absolutely any book. Probably what you could do is next time when you're in a bookstore, just walk and you can just have this intention in your mind that you want a message for yourself. And whichever rack you feel like stopping at, just stop there, okay? Whichever shelf, okay, just stop there. And you might feel like, okay, I should pick up the 4th book or the 5th book from the left. So just pick it up, hold the book in your hand and just mentally tell it to give you a message. And then you can just flip any page, whatever page opens, and whichever line attracts you the most, that would be your message. So many times people have received amazing messages through that. One of the cases, if I may share what we had this person and she was asking about her skin. Okay, so her question was, when will my pimples go away? What should I do about that? So she opened a book called The Secret, and the page that opened, the line read, So now you will ask about pimples. And it had the entire answer as well, how you heal it and what all you need to do. And so she did all of that to heal that. So that's one thing, bibliomancy. Apart from that, we offer tarot card reading. We offer angel miracles. Angel miracles basically is, we're all born with at least 2 guardian angels by our side. So all through your life, you will always have 1 guardian angel on your left and 1 on your right. Okay? Whether you're aware or not aware. You have more than that, but each person on this planet has minimum 2 guardian angels. So it's all about getting in touch with the angelic realm and how to use their assistance in your daily life. Then we have theta healing, which is again a very beautiful modality, which is completely non-invasive. The client doesn't do much in it. It's the healer who actually receives the downloads, and the healing happens through that. Then we have something called as EFT, which is Emotional Freedom Technique. It was developed by Gary Craig. It's actually a form of painless acupuncture. So just like in acupuncture, they put in needles to heal. In EFT, we just do tapping. It's very light tapping that we do on the hand and different body parts. Okay, so when we tap on these parts, what happens is, these are basically your energy meridians from where the energy passes in your body. So because the energy passes from there, if there's any issue, it also gets blocked there. So when I tap this, what happens is that all those blockages release. So through EFT, we've actually healed, you can heal almost anything from a headache to cancers, to any emotional issue or a financial issue. Everything at the end of the day is some emotional issue. Okay, so basically there is some belief we have that we have given a lot of weightage or importance, which starts to convert into issues in your life. Okay, so when we tap, what happens is that whatever blocked energy you have with regards to that area, that starts to release, and that's how healing happens. Apart from that, we have something called as access bars. So access bars is a set of tools. It's a part of access consciousness. In access bars, what we do is that there are 32 points on your head that are basically points for absolutely anything. It's for money. You have a point for money, for joy, for sadness, for body, sexuality. We even have a point for aging toasters. So it's like, according to access bars, whatever is your belief, okay, that is how your life is going to be.
Ma'am, would you like to give us a demo for any of the therapies you have mentioned?
Sure, let's do it for EFT.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so what exactly is it that you would like to heal today?
Actually, my right arm got swelled up
Okay.
during working out in gym.
Okay. Okay, alright. So how much would you rate the intensity of the pain from 0 to 10? कितना आपको लगता है pain?
4 or 5.
4 or 5?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So just look at me, and as I'm doing, you just tap along and keep repeating those words.
Okay.
I might close my eyes in between, but you
Okay.
can still watch me.
Okay.
So just tap here. Even though
Even though
I have
I have
swelling in my right arm
swelling in my right arm
and it hurts a lot
and it hurts a lot
and I'm sick of it,
and I'm sick of it,
I still choose to
I still choose to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
Even
Even though
I have this swelling in my right arm
I have the swelling in my right arm
and it's hurts a lot
and it hurts a lot
and I don't like this at all,
and I don't like this at all,
I still choose to
I still used to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
Even though
Even though
I have this pain
I have this pain
and swelling
and swelling
in my right arm,
in my right arm,
but I still choose to
but I still choose to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
This pain in my arm,
This pain in my arm,
this swelling in my arm,
this swelling in my arm,
this pain,
this pain,
this swelling,
this swelling,
I just don't like it.
I just don't like it.
It's too irritating.
It's too irritating.
I don't like this pain.
I don't like this pain.
I don't like my swelled up arm.
I don't like my swelled up arm.
I'd rather have muscles than swelling.
I rather have muscles and swelling.
I don't like this pain.
I don't like this pain.
I look silly like this.
Okay, I did. I look silly like this.
I don't like how I look.
I don't like how I look.
I want to look different.
I want to look different.
Too fat.
I think I'm too fat.
I don't like how I look.
I don't like how I look.
I don't like this swelling.
I don't like this swelling.
I don't like this swelling in my arm.
I don't like this swelling
I'd
in my
rather have
arm.
muscles.
I'd rather have muscles.
This is too irritating.
This is too irritating.
I want to move on.
I want to move on.
I feel stuck.
I feel stuck.
I'm stuck somewhere.
I'm stuck somewhere.
And it's stuck in this swelling.
I am stuck in this swelling.
I'm stuck somewhere.
I'm stuck somewhere.
I don't like this.
I don't like this.
I just want to release.
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 I just want to release it all.
I just want to release it all.
I wonder how it would be
I wonder how it would be
without any pain,
without any pain,
without any swelling,
without any swelling,
and looking fabulous,
and looking fabulous,
looking really dashing.
looking really dashing.
No more hurt in the gym.
No more hurt in the gym.
No more trying to fix myself up.
No more trying to fix myself out.
Even though I have this pain
I have this pain
and swelling
and swelling
in my right arm,
in my right
I
arm.
still choose to
I still used to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
Now just keep both your hands on your heart, close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out. Breathing in through the nose and breathe out from your mouth. And as you breathe out, just release all the pain, all the swelling. Breathe it all out. One more time. Returning to normal breathing. Now tell me, how much do you feel is the pain in your arm? You can move if you want. You can move your arm. Is it the same? Any less?
3 or 4.
3 or 4. Okay, so let's do one more round.
Okay.
So your hands. Even though
Even though
I have this swelling
I have the swelling
and I feel
and I feel
it represents
it represents
the rigidity in my life,
the rigidity in my life,
I still choose to
I still choose to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
Even though
I
I have this swelling
have the swelling
in my right arm
in my right arm
and I feel
it represents
some rigidity in my life,
some rigidity in my
I
life.
still choose to
I still choose
love
to
and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
This rigidity
This rigidity
in my life,
this rigidity in my life,
I don't want to be answerable anymore.
I don't want to be answerable anymore.
I don't want to be answerable to my parents.
I don't want to answerable to my parents.
I just want to move out.
I just want to move out.
I just want to run away.
I just want to run away.
I want to run away from all the pain.
I want to run away from all the pain.
I want to run away from all the responsibilities.
I run away from all the responsibility.
I don't want to take up any responsibility.
I don't want to take up any responsibility.
I don't want to take up any responsibility.
I don't want to take any responsibility.
I don't want to shoulder any responsibility.
I don't want to shoulder any responsibility.
I don't like this pain.
I don't like this pain.
I wonder what this is.
I wonder what it says.
So how would it be, I wonder,
So how it would be, I wonder,
without this pain,
without this pain,
without the swelling?
without this swelling?
What if
What if
I don't have to give my body any pain?
I don't want to give my body any pain?
What if from now on,
What if from now on,
whatever pain is there in my life
whatever is
Pain
pain
is there in my
my life
does not need to
does not need to,
reflect in my body?
does not reflect in my body?
I wonder how it would be without pain.
I wonder how it would be without pain.
I'm ready to release all the 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 pain.
Even though
I
have this pain
have this pain
and swelling in my right arm,
and swelling in my right
and
arm.
I'm ready to release all the pain,
I'm ready to release all the pain.
I still choose to
I still choose to
love and accept
love and accept
myself deeply and completely.
myself deeply and completely.
Keep both your hands on your heart. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out from your mouth. Breathing out all the pain, all the guilt, all the hurt. Breathing normally now. move your arm once again. Tell me how much you feel is the pain.
1.
So how are you feeling now after the therapy? Any change?
The feeling is great. The pain is less.
Okay.
Pain is less.
Right. And how much is the pain now like?
So 1 or 2.
One
Yeah,
or two?
1 or 2.
Okay.
It's
So
less.
Good. So I recommend you do this for say 2 or 3 days more at least.
Okay.
Just do it for 15 minutes every day.
Okay.
Okay. The same procedure, the way we did it. And I believe your swelling would also be really less after that.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
आई होप कि आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा थेरेपीज के बारे में कि आप अपनी बॉडी को कैसे रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं और कैसे अपनी बॉडी को केयर कर सकते हैं। और फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट टू मिस अमृषा आहूजा। उनकी डिटेलिंग हमारी स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, हम फिर मिलेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Thank you so much for having me.